Today's video regarding Canon Pixma TS704 printer. I'm going to show you how to set up your printer using your MacBook and a USB cable. So this is a USB setup. Now make sure the one end of the USB cable goes to your printer and another goes to your MacBook. And go to your MacBook screen. Now go to the system preferences and click on the printers and scanners. In the printers and scanners we have to add the printer, so you will see there is a plus button here in the screen. Click on it, it will show up your printer. Select TS704 series, click on the add button. Instantly it will add the printer here. Open any document you want to print to check if it is working and click on the print icon and give a command from here. You can also do the two-sided printing as this printer is capable of that, and click on the print icon. So here we can see the printer has printed the sheet. So this way we can do the printing and we can easily connect the printer using the USB data cable. Thanks for watching.